Leaving the concert hall, please keep moving all the way out. Hey, Donald, are you all done up there? Gosh, wonder where he went. Yeah, whoa. Sorry, little feller. Almost ready. How'd that get unplugged? I'll just plug it back in. That's better.
Well, I don't know about you all, but I hope Goofy's okay. Wow, somebody actually got it. Thanks. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Mickey's PhilharMagic. Just a couple items before we get your concert started. If you need to leave for any reason while the show's going on, just use those doors to your right-hand side and your right-hand side only. And secondly, let's wait to put on those opera glasses till our Grand Matron Minnie Mouse says it's okay to do so. And enjoy your concert.
The curtains. Goofy, we're not ready. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey.
Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra. And my hat.
It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. Sing you off to sleep as you digest. We let you pop your feet up, but we'll not serve. Be our guest.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's-its and what's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore above? Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your world. Be the main event like no king was before. I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather an inspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm standing spotlight.
Not yet.
Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor. You say, put them on one hand. Ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing. I'll count it as a blessing that I'm only un poco loco.
That you make me, it is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're not making
the liberties you're taking leaves my
cabeza shaking.
You are just un poco loco. Un poquitito loco.
I can show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, under, on a magic magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, that's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling chase,
A wondrous place for you and me.
See you real soon.
I sure hope you like the show, everybody. Oh, and on your way out, please put your opera glasses in the special containers near the exit. Thanks. Now,